Hi, welcome to a product review by 247 Tech. In this video we are going to see and test this MPOW Bluetooth music receiver or receiver. The model number is MPOW BH129AB. The device is sold around $15 US on Amazon.com, and they are offering it in different color. So we got a very nice English instruction manual. Very good quality paper and good writing. And also it is offered in French. So we got here a green card, important reminder that you have to charge it, which I have not. So this is the device. From here you can play and stop the music through your phone. On off button is here. This is the volume up and down. And here this is the micro USB connector for charge. And in this side we can connect a headphone, so you can listen to music remotely and further away from the device. Also it comes with this cable, so you can connect it from here to another device through this wire, or you can connect it with this 3.5mm jack directly if space permits. If not, you can use the other one. In this video we will see how we can use this one and connect it and pair with your device, and also I'm going to show you how you can connect two other devices simultaneously to this, so we can play audio or music through those two devices, through this and to the speaker system. This receiver comes with this cable. This is the two end of the cable, and also with this is 3.5mm jack, so you will connect either this one to this device and connect it to your sound system, such as receiver, speaker system, whatever amplifier that you have, so this can be inserted, or you can connect this one if there is some problem with that type of connection, so you have flexible cable, and then connect this to the receiver, amplifier, whatever sound system that have speakers. So you will connect it. The audio will be played from mobile device to this, and from here it will exit and enter the sound system. Now let me turn it on. So I see a light here flashing. Send it to, let's say, a sound system, a receiver, a big speaker system, and majority of those will have an input, so you just plug it into line in, and then once this is active, your mobile device can send audio to this, and then this will go to that device with the speaker. So this receiver uses Bluetooth 4.0 technology and works at a 2.4 GHz frequency, and the battery that's inside it is 170 milliampere hour. The operating voltage is USB, which is 5 volts. Let's pair it. Go to your device and then go to the setting, go to the Bluetooth. If your Bluetooth is turned off like that, so just turn it on. And here are the devices that this one shows, and this is turned off. I've connected it to a speaker so you can hear the sound and the beeps and notifications that this gives. So that beep starts, and this with a blue and red or blue or yellow that is blinking. This shows that this is waiting for pairing. So here it says not available anything, so just turn this off again because I missed that. I started it later. Now this will go and search. So this is the device it shows with a long name and the headset, or you will see that BH129 Now it shows us BH129. So pair. If it asks you for the password is 000. So now this is connected and you heard the beep. Now this is just small blanks will tell you that it is paired. Let me play music. So the music is played from here to this, and from this through the wire I've connected this to the speaker. So you can pause. You can go to the next track, which I don't have any, and went back.
We got kickoff.
And now
Why does God hate football season?
this is now playing through this.
Wednesday.
So let's stop it, pause it.
It's so hard to be a Christian.
So it was paused. As you can see, this is a playlist because there is a next and previous. The previous there is nothing. There is a next one. So I want to see if this works with the YouTube as well. It went to the go to the next one.
The main reason that I love Oshawa, downtown Oshawa in particular.
So
all I wanted to do was be given a chance to go out and perform and find I've got a whole bunch of subscribers. I know a lot of you guys right now are looking.
So it works perfectly with YouTube and with any music that you play. This is now connected, the device is connected to this phone, and here you can see BH129. And we want to connect the second phone. To connect it, you have to release it from this, which means turn off the Bluetooth. So this is now disconnected, the blank changes. And now if I press this and it will search, you see it will not go to the pairing mode. So you have to hold it for a few seconds until you hear a beep. So now 2 beeps and the device is here. Just touch and you heard the beep and it's now connected. If you turn the Bluetooth on this device on, this will not connect. In order to connect this back to that device, turn the Bluetooth off the one of the devices. Now to connect it back to this device, go to Bluetooth and you will see BH129. Once you connect it there, this will have to be connected again. Connect. This is connected now. Turn this on. It says connected and connected. Now 2 devices is connected at the same time.
I make one meat potato salad, but I don't like having to.
So this is now playing here.
Veggie slicer does it all for me. Potatoes, boom. Onion.
Let me now play this.
Boom. The veggie slicer, it's great. I love Wish. Items are cheaper and you get store quality. Why pay more?
Both of these are now connected, but we can get audio.
And any of the stories you guys might
From
have heard
here.
about us in the past and the practical jokes, they've all been true.
So let me pause
Especially
this.
when
Why are you clapping with this nice person you have next to you? Are you family or are you on a date? Your friends? Who bought the tickets?
So this is now playing.
You're not so
Let me
much
play
friends. Maybe you thought you were friends. If he bought you tickets, I wouldn't clap that hard sitting next to him.
So this has no sound now.
He was clapping.
got some Tejanos in the house. What's up? You far from home, coño. So anyway, we're doing a show out in Eagle Pass, Texas. Now,
As you see, whichever is turned on first will be heard. This is now So if I pause this, we will hear that one.
Okay.
If I play this, we cannot hear it. So in order for this one to be heard, just pause this.
Tomorrow night, I'm leaving with Rick. So we get in Rick's car and I get to drive. We head to San Antonio.
For conclusion, this is an amazing device because you can share your audio or music through this with a sound system. Not only that, but another person's, two people can do. For example, one person can prepare certain clips, and as soon as this person is finished, the other can play automatically. So that's very good, and it's very lightweight, and the size, as you can see, is in the size of a little larger than matches, but the weight is smaller. Thank you for watching. This was the review on how to connect the MPOW Bluetooth Receiver model BH129 AB. Definitely I recommend this. Please thumb up the video, and also please subscribe so you can get updates of my upcoming videos.